Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do Gmail recovery without verification code. So if you cannot access your Gmail because you don't have the verification code, don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can recover your Google account without a code in 2025. So normally Google will send a code to your phone or recovery email, but what if you don't have access to either? So here's what you can do instead. So what you need to do in here, first you can just go to the your PC or mobile like this, and then you can find the page recover g.co/recover, or you can just find Google account recover, this one in here. You can go to this page and then you can just enter your Gmail address and tap on next. And if Google asks for a code, you can just you can see this button in here. You can just click on this try another way, and depending on your account you may get the options like last password you remember, security questions for old accounts, and also identity confirmation forms. Google may ask detail like approximate date you created the account, services you use like Gmail, YouTube, or Drive, and the contacts you often email. And here you can see this only the options shown on my Google account, so you can just click on this try another way to see another options from Google. So if Google give you the form, you can just fill out the account recovery form, provide as much accurate info as possible. The more you correct answers, the higher the chance of recovery. And if approved, you'll be able to reset your password. And for troubleshooting, if the access is still denied, you can try again after 24 hours with more accurate info. And if you don't have recovery email or phone, you can use the identity form. It's the only way. And that's all. I hope the tutorial will be helpful for you guys. That's how you can recover your Gmail account without a verification code. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. So I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!